Friends, today I will discuss with all of you about groundwater resources of India. But before going into that, I must tell you what is groundwater and how it occurs in various parts of the world. Groundwater is one of the most important renewable resources of the earth, and it occurs in many parts of the world. Water is in the form of rainfall, and river or stream water penetrates the ground and moves through the pores of the soils, rocks and fractures and joints, which are permeable enough to transmit water through them. So the global water availability I can discuss with you. It is like this. The Earth's total water resources have been estimated to be of the order of 1.37 into 10 to the power 8 million hectometer. Out of these water resources, about 97.2% is salt water, available only in the oceans, and only 2.8% is available as fresh water in any given time on our planet. Out of this 2.8%, about 2.2% is found as surface water, and rest only 0.6% as groundwater. It is interesting to note that out of 2.2% surface water, 2.15% fresh water locked in the glaciers and ice caps, and only to the tune of 0.01%, that is 1.36 into 10 to the power 4 million hectometer, is available in reservoirs and lakes, and only 0.0001% in streams, 0.001% as water vapor in atmosphere, and 0.002% as soil moisture in the 0.6 meter of topsoil. Out of 0.6% groundwater, which is stored in the subsurface, only about 50% of it, that is 41.1 into 10 to the power 4 million hectometer, can be economically exploited, which is occurring down to the depth of 800 meter, and which is called as groundwater. Presently, about 1/5 of all global water being used is groundwater. Now, coming to Indian groundwater scenario, I can describe it as: India receives average annual rainfall to the order of 1140 millimeter. Based on this, Government of India had estimated that the total annual rainfall in India is 370 million hectometer, and 1/3 of it is lost in evapotranspiration. Out of rest 247 million hectometer of water, 167 million hectometer flows as runoff, and the balance 80 million hectometer trickles down as subsoil water. Out of this 80 million hectometer, 43 million hectometer gets absorbed as soil moisture in the layer, whereas the remaining 37 million hectometer is recharged to the groundwater from rainfall. The total annual groundwater recharge from rainfall and seepages from canals, irrigation systems have been worked out to be 67 million hectometer. Due to rapid urbanization and groundwater is being withdrawn heavily at many places, which exceeds the rate of replenishment. This has caused some ecological problems like fluoride contamination in some hard rock areas like Purulia and Bankura districts of West Bengal, and also problems of arsenic contamination and land subsidence in some alluvial areas of West Bengal. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further videos on this subject. Thank you.